Alright, y'all, so here we go with the finished product. This is the no grab handle drawer set. As you see, we already assembled it all the way together. So that's what it looks like with the drawers being open. And then of course, you just close them. They each are on their own wheels. So it's extremely easy to close and to open. And that's what it looks like when they're all closed. Then you see how you still have the white boards, so that way you can't see through and see whatever you have inside. If y'all like this plus many more installs, then y'all just give us a call. We got it all. 682-239-1470. Remember, I am the plug. You are the man with Let's Go TV. Don't forget to catch us on our social media platforms for all of our raffles and our items for sale at LEXGO TV. Suffer pain now, enjoy relaxation later with Let's Go TV. And come to your house too, business, commercial, or residential. Let's get it. Let's go.